This is dope. Ooh, the classic. Hi everyone, so I just got a creator package from Angelus Direct, so I wanted to hop on here and do a quick little unboxing video. Quick backstory, they actually hit me up on Instagram. They like some of the content that I was making, so they decided to send me a creator package. Honestly, I was just super shocked and amazed. Like, I can't even believe that the company whose products I use to customize shoes actually hit me up. You know, this is really just the first step in, you know, what I hope to be a super long journey in this. I'm not affiliated or sponsored by Angelus in any way, so take my opinion with a grain of salt because I do really fuck with their products, but see what we got. Let's get right into it. All right, so they actually wrote me a little note. This is sweet. Hey Eric, we hope 2026 is treating you well. Artists like you are why we do what we do, and we appreciate and admire your talent. Keep being amazing. That's dope, man. To get credit and validation from the company whose products I use, it's just amazing, man. And it's something that really inspires me to just keep going at it and keep pushing the boundaries and becoming a better artist. What we got? Ooh. All right, so I got the classic pack of 12 paints. I actually don't have this specific pack. So these colors are gonna be pretty useful. I think this is just the classic pack, so definitely gonna get use out of that. Anybody who watches my channel knows that I love me some dad hats. So they sent me 2 dad hats right here. The clean beige brown, and then I got the black. I feel like the Angelus colors, this is like the classic hat. So I'm definitely gonna be rocking it. I like my dad hat, super daddy. Pause. All right, check me out. Got the Angelus. It's one size fits all. Check me out. All right, the beige is clean. The black is so clean too. All right, which one do you think looks better? With the black fit, the black is way too hard. They also gave me this apron. I usually just wear an old t-shirt or like a dirty shirt or something when I'm working with customs. Having this apron honestly is gonna be pretty dope. I gotta attach the straps, give me a second. All right, check me out. I finally got the apron situated. I think this shit is clean. Got the pockets in here for when I'm customized. I could put stuff in it. I already can see myself like having either the dad hat or the apron featured in a lot of my videos. I feel like the apron is just like dope and something that I'm gonna be able to get a ton of use out of. And then I got one more thing in this box. I got a phone stand. You know, Angelus team, thank you. I can't believe it. You know, you're helping me on my journey. Send me this care package. This is dope, man. So handwritten note as well. It doesn't really get sweeter than that. Keep crafting, everyone, and follow if you want to see what I do with these paints.